This video is from Success Convent, Melachevil, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to take a lesson for grade 5, subject science. Lesson number 1, page number 47. Name of the lesson is Plants Growing in Numbers. Plants growing in numbers. Dispersal by explosion. Dispersal by explosion. This you can see on page number 47. Dispersal by explosion. Some fruits burst open or explode when they become dry. The force of explosion helps the seeds to scatter away. This is called dispersal by explosion. Poppy, pea and balsam seeds get dispersed by explosion. So, poppy seed means kasakasa, we say it will be very small. So, pea means pattani vedai and balsam seed. So, this is a balsam seed get dispersed by explosion. It's spread by air. காத்தடிச்சா அது விதை முளைச்சி அந்த விதை வந்து காத்துல வந்து விழுந்து அது முளைக்கும். It will grow. Some fruits burst open or explode when they become dry. The force of explosion helps the seeds to scatter away. This is called dispersal by explosion. Poppy, pea and balsam seeds get dispersed by explosion. Some, S-O-M-E, some fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits, burst, B-U-R-S-T, burst, open, O-P-E-N, open, or explode, E-X-P-L-O-D, explode, when, W-H-E-N, when, they, T-H-E-Y, they, become, B-E-C-O-M-E, become, dry, D-R-Y, dry. The force, T-H-E, the, force, F-O-R-S-E, force, of, O-F, of, explosion, E-X-P-L-O-S-I-O-N, explosion, helps, H-E-L-P-S, helps, the, T-H-E, the, seeds, S-E-E-D-S, seeds, to, T-O-2, scatter, S-C-A-T-T-E-R, scatter, away, A-W-A-Y, away. This, T-H-I-S, this, is, I-S, is, called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, dispersal, D-I-S-P-E-R-S-A-L, dispersal, by, B-Y, by, explosion, E-X-P-L-O-S-I-O-N, explosion, comma, poppy, P-O-P-P-Y, comma, P-E-A-P, and A-N-D, and balsam, B-A-L-S-A-M, seeds, S-E-E-D-S, seeds, get, G-E-T, get, dispersed, D-I-S-P-E-R-S-E-D, dispersed by, B-Y, by, explosion, E-X-P-L-O-S-I-O-N, explosion. So, this is dispersal of seeds by explosion of balsam fruit. So, from this, see, this is a balsam fruit. This is a balsam fruit. This is one type of fruit, and this is a seed. If the fruit become dry, it will spread the seeds around the ground. So, I will show you here. So, it will be like this, it will be dry and it will spread like this. So, this is a seed. So, it is a dry fruit, this is a seed. Next, growing new plants from other parts of plant. Growing new plant from other parts of a plant. New plants can also be grown from their vegetative parts like roots, stems and leaves. The method of growing plants from their vegetative parts is called vegetative propagation. New plants from roots. New plants from roots. Roots of some plants such as carrot, dahlia, beetroot, radish, turnip and sweet potato can produce new plants. So, these are all can produce new plants. Which and all? Beetroot, dahlia, radish, turnip and sweet potato can produce new plants. New plants, N-U-W, new plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, can, C-A-N, can, also, A-L-S-O, also, B, grown, G-R-O-W-N, grown, from FROM, from there, THEIR, there, vegetative, 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 parts, 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 like, 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 roots, 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 comma, stems, 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 and and leaves, LEAVES, leaves. New plants can also be grown from their vegetative parts like roots, stems, and leaves. The method, the method, METHOD, method of OF, of growing, GROWING, growing plants, 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 from FROM, from their, 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 vegetative, 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 parts, 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 is called, 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 vegetative, 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 propagation, PROPAGATION, propagation. Number 1, new plants from roots. New, these are new plants from roots, NEW, new plants, 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 from FROM, from roots, 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 roots of some plants, ROOTS, roots of, of some, SOM, some plants, 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 comma, such as, SUCH, such as, as, carrot, 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 dahlia, 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 beetroot, 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 radish, 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 turnip, 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 and and sweet potato, SWEET, sweet potato, 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 can, can, produce, PRODUC, produce, new plant, NEW, new plants, PLANTS, plants. Okay, today's homework is page number 47. You have to dot this one, dispersal of seed by explosion of balsam fruit. This one you have to draw one time, and this fully write one time and reading 2 times. Thank you.